Hey Colt fans, Justin Baldini, Director of Marketing for Colt here. We're going to show you something pretty cool today on Topic Tuesday. This is the conversion kit for the old LE901s that actually works with the new CM762 series also. You can still find them out there, so we're going to show you how it works. Check it out. So the way this conversion kit works is it actually includes an adapter block, which you see here, that attaches to the 5.56 upper. Then we've got a standard H buffer. This could change depending on what upper you're going to put actually on the rifle. You may want an H2 depending on if you use a heavy barrel. And then just a standard carbine spring. The 308 spring that's in there now is actually unique to the 308 along with the buffer. So in order to convert it to 5.56, we need to change those. The adapter block itself, it actually takes up that distance between the offset pin and the pin that's going to go in where the standard pivot pin would be on a 5.56 upper. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to take off the old upper. We're going to take this, happens to be CM762. We're just going to take down that rear takedown pin, take off the front pivot pin, and take this and set it aside. I am going to now just take out that buffer and spring. You can do that by just detenting the retaining pin, pulling that out, and then taking the new buffer and spring and putting it in there. Now, on the upper receiver itself, we're just going to have to push out this detent on the adapter. Oops, other way. And what you do is you actually just put it on the front of the upper receiver. This will work with any standard, I'll call it sort of standard mil-spec upper receiver. I kind of give you that caveat only because I have seen some billet upper receivers from aftermarket companies that have kind of some really weird shapes up there. But generally speaking, if it's sort of a standard upper receiver, it's going to work. And then that's it. From here, you're just putting it together. And then slide it all the way down. The front of this mag well is actually going to capture this pin, so it doesn't actually detent closed, or it does maybe a little bit, but you don't have to worry about it coming out once it's captured by that by the larger 308 mag well. And then last but not least, you're just going to attach the takedown pin. That's it. So that was all we needed to do to take that CM762 and convert that over to a 5.56 upper receiver to be able to shoot 5.56. You can see that mag well is taken up by that adapter block. So use a standard Stanag mags, no problems there. And it'll take PMags, it'll take USGI mags, whatever you got. And then that's it. You're off to the races shooting 5.56. So there you have it, Colt fans. That's how the LE901 conversion kit works on either an LE901 or on a CM762. Make sure you leave us some comments below. Let us know what you think, and let us know if you've got some more ideas for next week's Topic Tuesday.